Hey RJ, I just wanted to tell you how happy I am to marry you, how absolutely perfect you are for me, and that I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, and that I can't wait to start a family with you, and I'm just so excited for today, and I can't wait to see you get married today.
About being married, excited, happy to spend the rest of my life with her. I love her. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, and can't wait to be mine first.
He's a phone call to his parents. He's a Bible by the bed. He's the t-shirt that I'm wearing. He's a song stuck in my head. He's solid and he's steady like the Allegheny runs. He knows just where he's going and he's proud of where he's from. One of the good ones. He's one of the good ones.
As the Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 13, love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, hope never fails. The couple will now say their vows.
I promise to stay silly, to never take ourselves too seriously. I'll try. And stay just immature enough for grilled cheese, breakfast for dinner, midnight ice cream, ever.
I promise to always be a big kid with you, even after hours.
I promise that you're the one I went to binge watch Friends with forever. I mean, that seems like forever.
Need to say yes to you. That's.
I promise to never get angry at you for making honest mistakes. I promise to love you, pray with you, dream with you, build a home with you, be family with you, and to encourage you forever.
The couple now will complete the unity ceremony. The unity knot represents the joining of the husband, the wife, and the Lord. As Ecclesiastes 4:12 states, one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of three stands as not quickly broken.
Day starts with a coffee, ends with a wine, takes forever in getting ready, so she's never on time for anything. When she gets that come get me look in her eyes, well, it kinda scares me the way that she drives.
Roger, you can take Rebecca as your rocker with a block.
She drives me wild.
Rebecca, you take Roger in the rocker with a block. Now, I'll pronounce the left and right, and they just try.
Yeah, she's crazy, but her crazy's beautiful to me. She makes plans for the weekend.
Mr. and Mrs. Atkinson.
Stay on the couch and watch TV, and she falls asleep. She can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances, and wears her heart on her sleeve. Yeah, she's crazy, but her crazy's beautiful to me. She's unpredictable, unforgettable. It's unusual.
I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Aaron, and I will be your DJ and Master of Ceremonies this afternoon. It's so good to see you. Oh no, please. I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. Please welcome for the first time anywhere his husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Roger Absted. Come on out, Roger. Now, RJ and Becca will take their first dance as husband and wife.
He's a phone call to his parents. He's a Bible by the bed. He's the t-shirt that I'm wearing. He's a song stuck in my head. He's solid and he's steady like the Allegheny. Daddy, dance with me.
Alright, I'm gonna do a thing, but I can only do it once. So pay attention, here we go, ready? Kick, 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 drop. That's it.
Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. We really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Spring is here. phone call to his parents. He's a Bible by the bed. He's the t-shirt that I'm wearing. He's a song stuck in my head. He's solid and he's steady like the Allegheny runs. He knows just where he's going and he's proud of where he's from. One of the good ones. He's one of the good ones. Love me like he should, one like he wrote the book, one. The kind you find when you don't even look. One anybody can be good ones, but he's good all the time. He's one of the good ones, and he's all mine. He's one of the good ones. You'll know him when you see him by the way he looks at me. You'd say he hung the moon, I'd say he hung the galaxy. Nobody does it better.